Hi everybody, welcome to week 6. We're getting there. As you can see, I'm in the main module so that you can pretty much see the whole week in front of you. And I'm making the video that hopefully you're watching by clicking on this link. Basically, hopefully by now you guys know the pattern. We have chapter 6 in Grammar for Writing. We've got our 4-point readings, and this week we're actually going to be starting a new chapter in linguistics. So if you start here, there's also a little video explaining what the field of linguistics is about. I think it's always good to have background. So you've got your usual discussion, part 1 on linguistics communication, and you have an open discussion, and this week you have another practice reading quiz. Your grammar quiz number 3 is going to be on chapters 4 and 5, expressing future time and time shifts and tenses. So if you have any questions about that, please send them to me or talk to me during our Tuesday optional Zoom session, okay? Basically, we are continuing our work on writing test 2. I should have received your annotations by August 3rd, which is the beginning of this week. I'll check those, and then if you follow the directions, you'll see the next step is to create a draft of your summary on Thursday of this week, okay? Again, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I was hoping that some of you would form some kind of a group, through Zooming or whatever, just to talk about the readings, because they are complicated, and I know that I'm asking you to stretch as readers, but I think it does help to study in a group. So if there's any way that you can arrange that with each other, that could be very helpful to some of you. Okay, I've put some extra exercises in here on tense consistency. I know I've got these ones, and basically the videos from last week about gestural communication are repeated because they might help you paraphrase the different gestures when you write your summary. Okay, and here's the answer keys. So I hope that's it, and as always, please don't hesitate to contact me. Okay, bye.